So if you want to transfer money from Klarna to your bank account, this is actually a bit of tricky thing to do because first you need to know what Klarna is. So Klarna is mainly a buy now pay later service. It's not a money transfer app like PayPal, Wise or Revolut. The credit that Klarna gives you is intended for purchase only. So it's only for shopping. There is no direct cash withdrawals or bank transfers. So you cannot actually take your Klarna installment limit, like cash it out or something, or send it directly to your bank account or withdraw it. You can't actually do that. This is restricted because Klarna's lending licenses are designed for consumer purchase only, and the cash advances are much riskier for fraud and debt issues. And due to the banking regulations, they don't provide, or they don't doesn't Klarna doesn't allow you to cash it out. So all you can do is simply use the credit to make purchases or for shopping on Klarna. But if you have like some money on Klarna due to a refund, like let's say you bought a purchase and you refund it, and that's how you got your money, you got some credit on your Klarna. So even these credits will be automatically sent to your original mode of payment. So whatever the payment method you have connected with Klarna, so the refund will automatically go to that payment method. So however you paid Klarna with, so whatever that's connected, that's how it will automatically go there. So you don't really have to transfer it to your bank account or your card. As long as your bank or card is connected to Klarna, the refunds will automatically go to your bank account or Klarna. So it's nothing that you don't have to do. It's an automated process. But other than that, you can't transfer your money from Klarna to bank account.